Semantic power strips are a feature exclusive to Gateway in Language and Learning. They are sets of associated words that can enrich a user's vocabulary and expand the core without requiring complex navigation. They are used predominantly for verbs and nouns and are found in small grid size arrangements. Semantic power strips are represented by a solid color button or folder with a plus sign beside the label. Selecting one of these symbols opens a set of associated words. Selecting the targeted word sends it to the message window. Here are some examples.
Dad. Right. Text. Color.
Semantic power strips make it easy to speak complex messages as a part of everyday conversation.
Go. With. Mom. 2. Shop. 4. Toys. I want to go with Mom to shop for toys.